3 days of rehearsal. And then when we did the song, from the second song, then he kept calling me from rehearsal and I kept making excuses. It was 2 days. 3 days of rehearsal. And when we did the song, from the second song, then he kept calling me from rehearsal and I kept making excuses. So it was 2 days. So his name is AJ, and yes, but the Jackson is there because I'm sorry, Dragon because his character basically is that he dances very well and he's very confident. And whenever the music starts, he has a strong dance. So it's like a spook on himself. So that track is very funny. Humor. That's why I think the more of his timing and things like this. So good, and I have shot my timing in the film when comedy is fabulous. But usually, you know, the middle of the more stuck in comedy now. But basically, I would say so when you talk about directors, yeah, I mean, I've interacted with and I really love
This is actually my first full-fledged comical character.
So I think she's gone mad with that song.
Natasha called me and said that you know the girl has character needs to have this comic type.
वो फिल्म रिकवर करे जिन्होंने पैसा लगाया they make that money that's important. अगर आपने 10 करोड़ की पिक्चर बनाई है तो वो अगर 25 करोड़ का बिजनेस करती है तो it is more than what we can make in 100 crore. So it just depends on the success of the film and आप ये चाहते हैं कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग पिक्चर देखें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को हम एक्सप्लेन कर पाएं और
very fun. So why you invite us to like me fun for me to play. मुझे राजकुमार के बारे में बताया फिर इस फिल्म में जो कैरेक्टर थी उन्होंने कहा कि एक अच्छी कॉमिक टाइमिंग वाली जोन चाहिए तो मुझे मैं उसमें क्या करूँ अपने हर कैरेक्टर वही खुद ही है
So songs आप लोगों ने देख लिया है कॉमेडी and he does not believe in verbal comedy will love it for every generation comedy timing and yeah I like women कह रहा था कि ऐसा करने के लिए था तो मुझे करके देखो he's fabulous creating my face to comedy and other things I used to say that women celebrate I love and I'm very today every girl should feel strong and so that made me come tackle the world the next time also if I do something like that I need from because otherwise I get very
I would love to do a Marathi.
People have accepted us
From Son of Sardar, I think the pairing was accepted, and I guess that's why Action Jackson also happened. And you know, we're getting great feedback for the pairing this time around as well. So when something really good comes along, we would definitely like to do it.
No, I think everybody grows, and I still remember the first time I shot with her in Son of Sardar when she gave the first shot. I went up and told her that you know after long I'm working with somebody who's so natural, and she's not lost that charm. I mean, experience makes you grow, but what happens is corruption also comes in when you get experience, and you know that you can get away with a few things, and that's why children are better actors than grown-ups because they do it from all their heart. They're not thinking that I'm looking nice or no, or my this side, my face is right, and that side. So they are very natural, very honest. And when you find somebody who's so comfortable with herself that she's not bothered about all this, she's bothered about the character, and she just becomes the character. कि देश को बहुत जरूरत है और आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि वो जो भी कर रहे हैं मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो मैं सोचता था वो गलत नहीं है तो आई थिंक ही इज रियली डूइंग वंडर्स वक्त लगेगा चीजें बदलने में क्योंकि रातों रात बदल नहीं सकती बट इस एक इंटेंशन है और कोशिश की जा रही है
Your second movie with her, how was working with Yami, Gautam and Manasvi?
Nice. I think Manasvi for her first film has done very well in the film, and for the kind of part she's played. Yami is a very good actress, and we needed somebody who had a very soft, gentle appearance, and she's suited the role perfectly. And very comfortable working with her.
Okay. Sonakshi ma'am, I want to ask you, there's a lot of dance sequence going on over in Action Jackson. I want to ask which is your favorite song and your favorite dance sequence?
Well, I really enjoy being a part of Prabhu sir's dance sequences, and Kira is something that I really like. The steps were given to us on location. We had not rehearsed for that song, so it was very impromptu, and the song has picked up really well. People are appreciating it. Other than that, there's a song which hasn't released yet. You'll be able to watch it in the film. It's called Chichora Piya, and in that the choreography was extremely challenging and very difficult. I think Prabhu sir raises the bar with every song that he does, and that's probably been my most difficult song so far. So yeah, that's my favorite song, Chichora Piya.
हादसा मेरे साथ हुआ था, इन्होंने इतना सारा आटा फेंका था मेरे पे,
Oh हाँ, that happened.
तो वो मेरे लिए हादसा था, इनके लिए हादसा नहीं था।
मुझे बहुत मजा आया। एक सीन था जहाँ पर मुझे आटा का पूरा थाली ऊपर फेंकना था, उछालना था, and I was waiting to do it क्योंकि मैंने ऐसे कभी लाइफ में नहीं किया है। So yeah, but unfortunately थोड़ा आटा इनके आँख में चला गया।
और मुंह में भी चला गया। 8-10 रोटियां खा ली मैंने।
अजय, आपको हमने हमेशा देखा है कि आप तो प्रभु सर कम बात करते हैं, इसलिए आप बोल रहे हैं, ऐसा कुछ है?
ऐसा ही मुझे लग रहा है क्योंकि जब कुछ इंटरव्यूज मैंने प्रभु के साथ किए तो एकदम साइलेंस था, ना मैं बोल रहा था ना वो बोल रहे थे, तो मुझे लगा किसी को तो बोलना पड़ेगा, तो मैंने बोलना शुरू कर दिया।
क्या बात।
I think we'll move on to the next city.
We decided to do the film, and then after some time he said that sir, you have to dance. So I had to pause it 2 minutes and I thought, should I do it or should I not do it? And then I said, why not? And because Prabhu himself is a fabulous, one of the best dancers in the country and fabulous choreographers, so I trusted him completely, and he made me very comfortable. And what is the best part is that he created steps which were very, very innovative, and that's why people are talking about those steps, maybe the Kira step or whatever. So that's something which only Prabhu could do. Initially, I was a little uncomfortable, but he really made me comfortable.